Our respect for freedom of speech and expression is sacrosanct, even as we will continue to urge responsibility in the exercise of this freedom. This was contained in the message of Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, to the inaugural annual Raymond Dokpesi Lecture with the theme Communication and Development. Hamman Jabani was there.
Founder of Dark Communications PLC, the present company for AIT and Ray Power, Raymond Dokpesi was born in 1951 and died May 28, 2023 at the age of 71. His pioneering spirit in broadcasting and media is believed to have empowered voices, shaped narratives, and bridged gaps in national development. Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, who was represented by the Director General FRCN, Mohammed Bulama, says Raymond Dokpesi brought great energy and a pioneering spirit in the media industry, helped kickstart the age of independent broadcasting in Nigeria.
Balance our report and let us also contribute our quota to the peace, progress, and prosperity of Nigeria. The late High Chief Dokpesi played his part and did it in a way that will ensure his name will never be forgotten.
High Chief was a brilliant entrepreneur and visionary media mogul whose trailblazing endeavors in the industry have continued to reshape our society by leading in the initiative of promoting private ownership and objective media practice.
It is, of course, very daunting and very challenging to even imagine how one starts to fill the shoes that he left. But it is a challenge which we have the courage to embrace, and we will do the very best of our abilities, to the very best of our abilities.
Other guests at the event described Raymond Dokpesi as a focused visionary who pursued and achieved his goals against all odds and understood the intersection between the democratization of the media space and that of politics. They call for the sustainability of the Raymond Dokpesi Annual Lecture in honor of his great visions. Hamman Jabani, NTA News.
President